Hello friends, today we will see topic number 3, solid modeling. Follow the steps below to create a solid modeling of an extrusions with an L-shaped cross sections. Start ANSYS Workbench. This ANSYS Workbench main page is completed, and in the static structural, click on and drag. After that, click on right click on geometry. After that, open new design model. Select XY plane as in the figure below and then click on the look at a view as a normal view and click the generate icon to complete the creations of the extruded shape model. We will see today's session extruded, revolutions and sweep. These third three commands we will see in this ANSYS Workbench. Now you can see this one is a XY plane is selected. After that, normal view is completed. After that, sketching and select one rectangle, draw one rectangle and go in dimensions. Click general, click on the vertical line and the horizontal line. You can see this one is a H4 horizontal and V3 means vertical. Now our units are in a meter. Select here and give as a 35, enter, and 25, enter. This one is the dimension is completed, draw is completed. After that, in constant, symmetry, center line, and this one and this one. Now you can select symmetry, select as a symmetry, select, select, then select. You can see symmetry. So constraint is completed. Now in modeling, you can see this one is extruded, extrude, and extrude, apply, apply. This one is applied, add material, non-normal, direction is a normal, fixed 10 meter. This is the depth of the extrude and generate. You can see this one is generated. After that, I'm just moving somewhat. You can see this one is a rectangle is a extruded. First command is a complete. Now we will see revolve. What is the revolve? We need to delete extrude. Yes. After that, sketch also delete. Now we need to select one plane, XY plane, and go here. Look at a face oblique plane oblique sketch means normal view. After that, in sketching, in draw, select one line and select here and draw one horizontal line up to here and continue here, vertical line up to here and draw one horizontal somewhat here, again draw one and connect here. Drawing is completed, go in constraint and apply as horizontals and verticals. Horizontal, this one is a horizontal, this one is a horizontal. After that, in a vertical, you can select vertical and vertical. Now completed. Now we will see in modeling revolve. Select revolve. After that, select sketch 3 and apply. After that, axis, select this axis, direction also there, and apply. In operations, add materials is there, and directly going to the generate. You can see this one is generated. This is a revolve. You can edit give angle as 270 and generate. You can see this is a 270 degree. Now revolve is completed. After that we will see sweep command. In sweep XY plane and normal view is completed. After that we are just clicking on a sketching intro. Select one. Now select here intro spline. After that click on a center point and draw somewhat. Now just right click and open it. Spline is completed. Now I want another plane also. In modeling, select ZX, ZX plane and normal view. You can go in sketching. After that, one uh, circle and select on the center and draw one circle. Now circle is completed. After that, now in a XY plane, just click a sketch for always show sketch. Now select the sweep. After that, in profile, select circle, apply, and in the path you can select sketch 4 and apply. Now you can generate. You can see this one is a sweep. Sweep is generated. All extrude, revolution, revolve, and sweep all commands are completed. Thank you. This session is complete.